The Brix is 5.2, indicating perfect ripeness for processing now.
Sensor data shows peak ripeness. Let's adjust fleet south.
Yes, satellite imagery confirms. I will update the schedule now.
This yield projection graph indicates very promising growth trends for us.
We need you rerouted to the north field. Harvester is ready now.
Pay close attention. High-vis vests and gloves are always required.
Understood. We will ensure all safety protocols are followed strictly.
Check this part. Lubrication is essential for optimal machine function.
Noted. I'm logging this maintenance task for the record.
Oil level perfect. Ready for another long day of harvesting now.
All tires good, fuel checked, ready for the long haul now.
Tire pressure adjusted perfectly. Engine check.
Truck bed clean and tarp secured, ready for fresh tomatoes now.
Post delivery confirmed for 1100 hours. All systems nominal now.
pH meter ready. Let's test these samples quickly now.
Refractometer calibrated. Starting analysis of juice concentration.
Prioritizing southern blocks today. Keep pace steady. Report issues now. Blades adjusted, machine running smoothly now. Harvesting can resume shortly. Harvesting initiated, monitoring data. Yield looks promising right now.
Good, keep an eye on parameters. We need steady, quality flow.
Monitoring the combine, filling up quickly now, almost full.
Almost full. Signal combine to me to slow down now. Next truck. Trucks are passing, checking loads now, maintaining steady flow here.
Field 7 report completed. Batch 4 gamma documentation is done.
Loading documents sealed. Ensuring secure transport, ready for dispatch.
Secure the tarp tightly. Ensure no movement during transit.
Got it, straps fastened, cargo is protected completely now. New dispatch order confirmed, route validated, starting journey to facility.
Following route instructions closely, maintaining steady speed on highway now.
Dispatch, this is truck 73, ETA 10 minutes from now.
Sign here for verification, confirming all details are correctly recorded.
Approved. Stamping now. Finalizing paperwork efficiently and precisely.
Confirmed unload sequence. Dumping product into the flume system.
Unloading successful, product flowing smoothly into the water channel.
Locking the tilting platform now, ensuring full safety for operations.
Checking each tomato for defects, ensuring top quality product.
Removing any soft ones, maintaining high standards for the batch. Found a small stone, removing it from the line immediately.
Taking a sample for bricks, ensuring quality control is met.
Testing consistency and pH, maintaining product specifications accurately.
All parameters stable, tank sealed now, ready for next stage.
Sanitizing equipment now, ensuring sterile environment for processing paste.
Checking these bait stations, ensuring pest control is effective here.
Checking these barrels for any signs of damage or leaks.
Generating pick list for next order. Optimizing warehouse efficiency now.
Bring it in now. Ensure careful placement within the container.
Got it. Driving slowly, precise positioning is critical here.
Inflating the dunnage bag, securing cargo tightly for shipment.
Checking for gaps, ensuring everything is firmly in place now.
Locking the container seal now, ensuring maximum security for transit.
Sign here to confirm. Shipment details are all correct now.
Paperwork complete, ready for transport. Delivery will be safe.
Shipment status updated, ETA confirmed, delivery on schedule now.
Monitoring water usage trends. Optimizing efficiency for our operations now.